Hello, I'm going to talk to you in this video about the difference between direct speech and reported speech. Direct speech is when we actually quote the words that are used. For example, he told me I can't make it to the meeting. So often in family life or work life, we have to report what people have told us, so we use reported speech. Here is an example of the same sentence using reported speech. He told me that he couldn't make it to the meeting. It feels actually quite complicated, but really it's quite simple. When you report what you said, you just go back one stage. So present goes back to past. Present continuous goes back to past continuous. I'm going to give you some examples. So let's look at the present simple first of all. I speak Spanish, direct speech. He said that he spoke Spanish, present continuous. I'm working in Beirut. She said that she was working in Beirut. Past simple. We caught the bus. They said they had caught the bus. Past continuous. You were talking to your boss. You said that you had been talking to your boss. Present perfect. I haven't been to Reykjavik. He said that he hadn't been to Reykjavik. Past perfect. I hadn't eaten snails before. She said that she had not eaten snails before. When we use the word will, future, for example, I'll see you later, this becomes, he said that he would see me later. The would sentence. I would come, but. She said that she would come, but. Then she makes an excuse. Can. I can run very fast. He said he could run very fast. Could. I could play the piano when I was in primary school. She said that she could play the piano when she was in primary school. Shall. I shall arrive late. He said that he would arrive late. Should. I should return her call. She said that she should return her call. Might. I might be delayed. He said that he might be delayed. Must. We must leave before 9 o'clock. They said that they had to leave before 9 o'clock. Don't forget to place a like, turn on your notifications, pass on this post to other people. Keep learning.